Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to change the Gmail password that the Play Store uses. Start by confirming which Google account is active on the device. Once you know the account, open Google account settings from the Play Store or device settings, and make sure you can access recovery options like a phone or backup email. If you're signed out, sign in with the current password. If you don't remember it, choose Account Recovery now so you can complete the password change securely. Now change the password inside your Google account. Go to Security, then Signing into Google and select Password. You'll be asked to enter the current password to verify it's you. After that, type a new strong password twice. Choose at least 12 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols so apps like Play Store trust the update. Once done, Google will confirm the change and prompt you to review connected devices. Make sure to complete that so every sign-in stays secure. Finish by refreshing Play Store credentials. Sign out and sign back in, or reboot the device so the new password takes effect. Make sure to update the password on any other devices and apps using this Google account, including backups and app purchases. If you encounter a block, run Google's account recovery flow or check two-step verification settings. This often resolves access issues. If problems persist, revoke device access and reauthorize after signing in with the new password to restore full Play Store functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.